There's Lily decorating eggs. Yay! Want another color? You need a paper towel? Can you wipe it up? Good job. Here, we'll wipe it up. Yay! Oop! Good job. Yay! Good job. Oh, leave them in there. Can you leave them in there? Yay! Yay! Uh-oh. That one's all done? That one too? Good job. All right. How about these ones? Here. Just deal with these. Yay! Yay! Uh-oh. Good job. Take them out. Good job. How about that one? Good job. Good job. Oh, you need it in this one? Now what? Good job. You want to put that one in there? Green and blue? Good job. Good job. What about this one? This one needs some more color on it. Good job. Yay! That one? Yay! Which one do you need? This one back? Good job! Yay! Yay! Can you put, okay, good job. Can you put them in here and we'll put stickers on them? Yep, take them out. Good job. Yay! How about that one? Good job. Can you take them out? Can you put them in the tray? Put them in the tray. Oh, yep. We'll get that later. Whoop. Good job. Okay, put them in the tray. Good job, Lily. Woohoo! Here, take this one out. Take that one out. Oh, good job. Yay! Yay! There you go. Can you take that one out? Yay!
Blah, blah. Let me see.
Oh, show Daddy. Show Daddy the egg.
Can you show Daddy the egg?
Can you hand it to Daddy? Give Daddy the egg. Yay! Oh boy. All right. Good job. Good job.
Lily.
Yay. Q clap. Yay!